Today is September 19th, 2014. I'm here today at Nadaka Nature Park to show the progress this week. This is the north end of the nature-based play area. This is the pervious pavement that was laid this week. It's covered up to keep moisture in it. Some of the boulders have been moved to form a little circle here for children. Very cute. And some boulders have been placed over at the other end. We've staked out the location for some of the standing poles. Don't know if you can see them. And also on the other side is where the longhouse climbing structure is going to be. This is the end of what is the replica of a stream bed, and rocks have been placed on the sides of this. There are different size rocks along here. Maybe I should just walk down the stream bed. And down here you can see that it's really rocky in this stream bed. So at the end of this open area where you see the dirt, there's going to be a mound of boulders with sand at the bottom, a water pump. Now I'll look back towards the north in the nature-based play area. You can see it's going to be really large. So then very quickly I'll walk over to what is going to be the community garden and show you the progress that we've made on. We planted buckwheat as a cover crop temporarily to keep the weeds down, but it's coming up. So it's been a real challenge coming over to turn sprinklers on. But I wanted to show you how well it's coming up. There's the little buckwheats in the community garden. And this is the smaller tool shed that the Oregon tradeswomen put up 2 sides last week. And then along here, these stakes are where we have marked to have trellises for berries so that people that are walking by the community garden can pick berries on the outside of the fence. So as you can see, the community garden is going to be very large. There's the other concrete pad. Haven't started on the picnic shelter yet, but there are all the logs, and I think those are going to be placed next week as well.